Hey tech fans, Lenovo's new Chromebook Plus just dropped with mind-blowing Gemini AI features that'll change how you work and play. Is this the ultimate laptop for 2025? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this AI-powered beast. Lenovo's Chromebook Plus 14-inch is packed with Google's cutting-edge Gemini AI tools, exclusive to the sleek flagship. From smart searches to auto-organized tabs, this laptop is bringing the future to your fingertips. Ready to see what it can do? Keep watching. Google's Gemini AI steals the show with two killer features. First, Select to Search lets you long press the launcher or snap a screenshot to instantly search on-screen text or images via Google. Perfect for quick research. You can even import text to Google Calendar or workspace apps like Docs or Sheets. Second, the Gallery app's AI can remove backgrounds or create stickers automatically. Plus, a grouping tool organizes your tabs and docs based on your tasks. These run on device for speed and privacy. How cool is that? Lenovo Chromebook Plus 14-inch is a powerhouse. It rocks a MediaTek Companion Ultra chip with 50 TOPS, an 8-core ARM-based processor, and Wi-Fi 7 support. The 14-inch OLED display boasts 1920 by 1200 resolution, 400 nits brightness, and a touchscreen option. With a 256 GB storage and 16 GB RAM, it handles multitasking and even supports dual 4K monitors. This is next-level Chromebook performance. This launch shows Google and Lenovo are all in on AI to make Chromebooks smarter. The Gemini features make work and creativity effortless, while the Chromebook Plus's specs rival premium laptops. It's best for students, pros, or anyone wanting AI-driven productivity. Could this be your next laptop? Lenovo's Chromebook Plus 14-inch packed with Gemini AI and ready to level up your workflow. Whether you're editing images, organizing projects, or searching smarter, this laptop has got it all. Are you grabbing one or waiting for more reviews to come in? Drop your thoughts below. That's the scoop on Lenovo's Chromebook Plus and Gemini AI. Are you hyped for the AI search tool, or is that OLED display stealing the show for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.